When it comes to home insulation, windows play a critical role in keeping your home comfortable, reducing energy bills, and maintaining indoor air quality. For homeowners in Florence, replacing outdated windows with energy-efficient options can significantly improve insulation, creating a more comfortable and cost-effective living space. Whether you're dealing with drafty windows, high utility bills, or fluctuating indoor temperatures, here's how window replacement can drastically improve your home's insulation. Reduce heat loss and gain with modern window technology. Old, inefficient windows allow heat to escape during winter and let unwanted heat in during summer, making it difficult to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. New energy-efficient windows feature double or triple pane glass. Extra layers provide a thermal barrier, keeping hot or cold air from entering or escaping. Low E coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to pass through, reducing excess heat gain in summer and heat loss in winter. Argon or krypton gas fills. These insulating gases between window panes reduce heat transfer and improve energy efficiency. Weather-sealed frames. Newer frames prevent air leaks and drafts, which can significantly impact your home's insulation. By upgrading to these modern window technologies, homeowners in Florence can enjoy better temperature regulation and lower energy costs year-round. Lower your energy bills with energy-efficient windows. One of the most immediate benefits of replacing old windows is lower heating and cooling costs. Poorly insulated windows force your HVAC system to work harder, increasing your energy consumption. Energy Star certified windows can help homeowners save up to 30% on energy bills by providing superior insulation. With better insulation, your home remains comfortable without overworking your heating or cooling systems, reducing wear and tear on appliances and ultimately extending their lifespan. Prevent drafts and improve indoor comfort. Drafty windows can make your home feel uncomfortable, especially in Florence's variable climate. Common signs of poor window insulation include feeling cold air near windows during winter, heat buildup around windows in summer, uneven room temperatures throughout the home. New replacement windows eliminate gaps and cracks that cause air leaks, helping your home maintain a consistent temperature. With proper insulation, you'll experience fewer temperature fluctuations and a more comfortable living environment. Reduce condensation and moisture problems. Poorly insulated windows are prone to condensation buildup, which can lead to mold and mildew growth from trapped moisture, water damage on window sills and walls, reduced air quality due to mold spores. New insulated windows help regulate indoor humidity levels, preventing excess moisture from forming on glass surfaces. This is especially important in humid climates like Florence, where moisture control is essential to prevent mold-related health concerns. Enhance sound insulation for a quieter home. Florence homeowners who live near busy streets, schools, or commercial areas can also benefit from improved sound insulation with window replacement. Noise-reducing windows feature multi-pane glass to block external noise, insulated frames that absorb sound vibrations, tightly sealed edges to prevent noise leakage, By upgrading to insulated windows, you can enjoy a more peaceful indoor environment and reduce outside distractions. Choose the best window frame materials for maximum insulation. Your window frame material also affects insulation. Some of the best choices for insulated windows include vinyl windows, affordable, low maintenance, and excellent for insulation. Fiberglass windows, highly durable, resistant to weather, and energy efficient. Composite windows, a mix of materials that offer superior strength and thermal efficiency. Wood windows, provide a natural insulating barrier but require more maintenance. Choosing the right frame material and window type ensures that your home remains well insulated for years to come. Increase home value with high-quality window replacement. Beyond energy savings and comfort, investing in window replacement also increases home value and curb appeal. Buyers look for homes with energy-efficient features, and newly installed windows can boost resale value, improve home aesthetics, enhance long-term energy savings. If you plan to sell your home in the future, insulated windows are an attractive feature for potential buyers. Is it time to upgrade your windows? If you're experiencing high energy bills, uncomfortable indoor temperatures, or drafty windows, investing in window replacement is one of the best ways to improve insulation and enhance your home's comfort. Florence homeowners are making the switch to modern, energy-efficient windows to enjoy lower utility bills, better soundproofing, and increased home value. If you're ready to improve your home's insulation, consult a local window replacement expert to find the best options for your home's needs. Upgrading your windows is more than just an aesthetic improvement. It's a long-term investment in energy efficiency, comfort, and cost savings.